What's up? This is John from John Branch Pro Photography, and I'm so hyped because I've been waiting so long for this. If you don't know about the Brydge keyboards, you need to definitely check them out. So they make wireless keyboards for a bunch of different things, and they've been making them for the iPads for a while now, but they're just now releasing the new ones for the new iPad Pros, and I could not be more excited about it. I'm gonna do a review of the Brydge as well, but I wanna do that after about a week of actually using it. I'm going up to New York for about a week, and I'm gonna have just me and my iPad, so I really wanna give it a real try before I give y'all a review, but keep an eye out for that. I'll probably link it up here once I have it. But let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing and just see what we have in the box. So very first impressions is it actually weighs a lot more than I thought it would. I'm very surprised at how heavy it is just in the box. So this thing is hefty, it's made out of aluminum, it has a pretty decent battery in it, so let's go ahead and see what we got. Ooh. Look, it's connected by magnets on the side. That's actually pretty it's pretty dope. So it just opens up. And there's our keyboard with the space gray to match my iPad. This looks like a USB-C cable they included. Yep, USB-C, that's awesome. So we got that in the box. The case is pretty cool too, just the box itself. Got all the information about what it does. Got some information here on the back. Looks pretty cool. Pretty good stuff there. How does this thing come out? I guess you just pull it up. Oh, here. Ooh, read the directions. So lift it here. Comes out nice and easy. And that's it. Nothing else in the box. Nice, clean box. Oh, look at that. Look at that. This thing is beautiful. And it's small. So here are the hinges, which I don't think I can open yet. They felt like they were stuck, or maybe they're just really sturdy. Oh, we got information everywhere. So we got quick start guide. Place keyboard on a flat surface. Rotate upright. Put your iPad in. Pretty straightforward. You got some stickers. Pretty cool little stickers. Some more information about Brydge. Oh, a discount code. And then this is the back protection that goes on the iPad as well. Let's go ahead and try and stick my iPad in here. Look at this. Look at the Apple case that comes. Like, look how nasty that thing gets. I can't. Ugh. So I'm gonna take this nasty case off. We'll go ahead and try and throw my iPad in here. Oh yeah, these are some sturdy hinges. Oh, which way is? There's no home button. Oh yeah, so it fits in there nice and tight. I like that. It's real sturdy when it goes in. Ooh, it's kind of magnetic when it goes down at the bottom there. It feels super sturdy. Super sturdy. Yeah. And I can just plop this on the back of it, I guess. Look at that. And there you have it. Now my iPad is basically a MacBook Pro. And I can just take it with me wherever. Oh yeah, it's kind of heavy. It makes it feel like a laptop comparative to the weight of the iPad itself. But so far, first impressions, it looks awesome. And I'll give y'all a review coming up probably in a week or so. So yeah, that was a quick unboxing of the Brydge Pro for the iPad 11-inch. The 12-inch is basically gonna be the same thing. Hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more information like this, and let me know which iPad you have and if you'd be interested in getting the Brydge as well. Maybe I can work out a deal with them and they can get you some discount codes. Anyways, review coming up, and I'll check y'all out next time. All right. Peace.